Bitcoin's biggest impact on society in the long term will be the shrinking of the state. Again, when you separate money from state and you demonopolize money, you've pulled the rug out from under government because essentially their entire business model is premised on theft and confiscation. So they're either stealing from you explicitly via taxation, or they're confiscating from you implicitly via inflation. And Bitcoin is a money that can't be stolen or inflated, basically eliminates the revenue base for government, such that government, whereas today we're kind of just born into these countries that we're forced to pay a certain tax rate. I think it's going to become much more of a customer-like business where the customer gets to express their preferences to government and decide what's best for them, because customers will just have more options. And in that world, I think you move from a world of 200 countries to something more like 20,000 in the long run. Because one size does not fit all. And we see this in any free market space, that there tend to be a lot of competitors. But when you monopolize something, you cause it to centralize. So I think that by separating money from state, that the state will be significantly shrunk. Another area that Bitcoin's going to have a major impact in is that it's going to increase trade, because again, money is a tool designed to allow us to negotiate, calculate, and execute trades more quickly. But today we have 200 different national currencies floating against one another, and it creates a lot of confusion in the marketplace and allows governments to erect a lot of impediments to global trade flows. But as the world moves to a common universal standard, this actually increases our ability to trade and cooperate with one another. And then the other area is that because Bitcoin acts as this global bounty program for unused and underused energy, that it's actually going to compress the cost of energy in the long run. And when we compress the cost of energy, we increase the efficiency of the economy. So that makes everyone wealthier. So I really think Bitcoin is fascinating in that it attacks economic problems from all sides. It shrinks the state, it increases trade, and it increases energy efficiency.